Once his sweetheart are trending again, but this time it's bittersweet. McD recently celebrated his wife Sandile by gifting her a new brand BMW X3. The couple described the car as a beautiful addition to their home. It was noted that the car, valued at over R1 million and was bought cash. McD highlighted the achievement as a symbol of how far his wife has come after overcoming difficult times. She was bullied online for growing in a shack, but the 23-year-old Sandile built herself and her mother a house and finished it in 2 months, got engaged around the same time frame. Rumors has it that she actually bought the car herself. Well, we can't confirm that. Allegedly, she got paid 160,000 rand yesterday by Facebook. Now that Mrs. Hlongwane was gifted by $1 million brand new car, bought it in cash, got paid by Facebook, everyone is now comparing her with Make. One thing people should understand, this is not a competition, but encouragement to aspire creators. We should actually learn something from the couple as they always root and support each other always.